Hey everyone, welcome to my channel called Give Me 5 Minutes, where we teach you simple concepts within a span of 5 minutes. And today we are going to look at some of the really cool Excel shortcuts. Now, these shortcuts are cool because they perform some really intelligent functions for the user, and I have also not seen a lot of experienced users use these functions. So, let's get started. The first shortcut which we are going to look at is for flash fill. The shortcut for flash fill is Control and press E together. What flash fill basically does is it figures out what the user is trying to do based on one single cell, and then it does that function for the rest of the cells. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to write the first name of the employee, and now in the second cell I'm just going to press Control E, and you can see the flash fill has figured out first name for the rest of the employees. Similarly, suppose I wanted the email of my employees based on their names, then I'm going to just write jake.williams@gmail.com, and in the next cell I'll press Ctrl E, and you can see that Flashfill has done the rest of my work here. The next shortcut which we are going to look at is for automatic sum. The shortcut is Alt and equals to sign. What this basically does is it automatically does a summation of for the values present in the data. So I am going to press in this cell, I'm going to just press Alt and equals to sign, and you can see that it has automatically done a summation of the data present in these cells. The third shortcut which we are going to look at today is how to apply currency format for a data region. The shortcut for this is Control plus Shift plus the currency sign. So suppose we wanted a currency sign in these cells, then I'm going to just select this data and then press Control Shift and the currency sign, and you can see that the currency format has been applied to all these cells. The next shortcut which we are going to look at is paste as values. Now there are a lot of different ways to do this, but one quick way to do this is press Control V, right? Then press Control and then press V again. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So suppose we wanted to paste this cell here as value, then I'm going to press Control V, then Control and then V. So there are three simple steps, and as you practice with time you will be able to do this faster and faster. The last shortcut which we are going to look at is for how to repeat some action that you have just performed in Excel. The shortcut for this is simple. Press the F4 function key and you will be able to repeat the last action that you have performed. So suppose I apply some color to this cell and then I want to apply the same color to this cell. I'll just press F4 key and you can see that the yellow color has been applied to this cell as well, and you can keep on doing that, and F4 will just repeat the previous action that you have performed. I'll give you one more example. Suppose you are inserting a row over here and then you press F4, then it will keep on inserting rows for you. So these are some of the 5 really cool Excel shortcuts that can help you save a lot of time, and that is sort of not common knowledge. And I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.